The other day, my roommate showed me this right over here, AI movies, and I was scrolling through, I was thinking I could do this. And so I'm gonna go ahead and use AI to create my very own Faceless channel. So I asked ChatGPT to list 10 names about a channel about AI, and it gave me this: AI Insights, the AI Frontier, Mind of Machines, AI Explorations, the Thinking Machine, the Future of Intelligence, AI Innovations, the Intelligent Agent, AI Uncovered, Machine Learning Mastery. I'm gonna go with AI Uncovered. So I asked ChatGPT to write me a prompt for a profile picture of a channel named AI Uncovered, and after going through that whole thing, yeah, that's way too long, so I wanted to go ahead and shorten it to one sentence. It was still too long, so I told it to shorten it to 5 words, and it gave me create tech-inspired AI profile picture. I'm gonna go with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Canva to create the profile pictures, create a design, and then whatever custom size, 1000 by 1000. Then you wanna go ahead and go over to apps, text the image, and I'm gonna write the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Create your image. So it gave me these 4, but I wanna go ahead and see if it can make me something even better. So I'll go ahead and press create again. This. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and use this guy, take up the whole screen, go ahead and download it, transparent background, and then just save it as a JPEG just so the file is a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to Canva, create a new design, 2560 by 1440, which is the average banner size for YouTube. Paste that little profile picture I saw before, detach, shorten that profile picture, press T for text, and then write AI Uncovered Stories, because this channel is gonna go ahead and be stories about AI, and boom. This is our finished banner. Now I'm going to go ahead and use an old YouTube channel, so I'm just going to go ahead and rename everything. So go to customization, basic info, and then right here, AI Uncovered. For my handle, AI Uncovered is taken, so I'm just going to go ahead and add stories at the end. The only thing I'm missing would be a description, and I'm going to go ahead and use ChatGPT to do that as well. So I told ChatGPT to write a short description for a YouTube channel named AI Uncovered, and I didn't like the way it was phrased, so I told it to make it sound more human, and it was still a little too complex, so I told ChatGPT to simplify it. It was missing some stuff, and I told it to add that we talk about stories, and boom, this is going to be the final description that we're going to go ahead and use. So add this right here. Now go to branding, upload my profile picture that I made, so right over here, and then upload my banner as well. Finally publish it. So now we can finally start working on the actual video itself. So I told ChatGPT to list 10 short story titles about AI and humans. So the titles were a little bit too short and not descriptive enough, so I told it to go ahead and make the title sound more dramatic, and it came up with these 10 other titles, and I like the last one. So I told ChatGPT to write a short story YouTube video titled The Rise of the Machines and Inevitable Apocalypse, and to make it 500 words and make it dramatic. Every aspect of human life was dominated by machines. Now, if you want, you can use AI to go ahead and make a voiceover for this, but I'm going to go ahead and use my own voice for it instead. So I went ahead and pulled up Audacity. It's completely free, so you can go ahead and download it, and I left that link to it down below if you want to use it. The world was a different place now. Every aspect of human life was dominated by machines. So I finished my voiceover, and one good thing to do is to go ahead and remove the background noise from this track. So just highlight a portion of the track that's completely silent, head over to Effect, go down to Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction, click Get Noise Profile, click Select, go back to Effect, go back to Noise Removal and Repair, back to Noise Reduction, and this time click OK. Just give it a few seconds to load, and boom, it's done. So right here, since I know this is a silent portion, I'll go ahead and highlight over and then just click delete. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing that for the rest of the track. So I finished editing the audio over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and export it. So go to File, go to Export, export as MP3, and then name it whatever you want. So I'll go ahead and name it AIVO, click OK, and that's all done. All right, so now for the video editor, I'm going to go ahead and use InVideo over here, and it does come with several subscriptions. 2 that are paid are the Business and Unlimited, and if you do want to go ahead and actually download the video, not have any watermark, you would need to pay for one, whether you do it yearly or monthly. And if you do want to go ahead and do this, I'd appreciate if you use the affiliate link down below, Barros 25, to receive 25% off. This is going to be the dashboard, and when you want to go ahead and create a video, you can choose from one of these 4 options. So template over here is going to give you over 5,000 different templates that already come with some animations, some elements included. Now these can be used for an Instagram story or maybe an advert, and if you want to do everything manually, we can go ahead and click editor, choose our dimension, import whatever media we want. We can go ahead and drag it onto the timeline, add it, and then from here we can go ahead and do any edit, whether I want to go ahead and resize it, cut a certain part of the scene just by trimming it, or I can go ahead and add any sort of animations or text just by going over here. And if we want to add stock media, we can go ahead and head over to images, head over to videos, and search what we want right over here. And if we want to see it in a more organized way, we can head over back to dashboard, go to stock media, and from right here we can go ahead and search whatever we want. So let's say AI person, and then from here we can decide what license we want. We have option free or premium. So I can click premium to get higher quality images, the same that I get as if I paid for an iStock subscription, just like here. So instead of paying $12 for this image in iStock, I already have it included in InVideo. And if you have any questions on how to use InVideo, make sure to head over to learn, head over to their YouTube channel because they have hundreds of tutorials over here. So make sure to subscribe. So we're going to go ahead and use text to video right over here. And these are all the different templates it comes with, but I do like the first one better. And then right over here, just keep it at landscape 16:9 ratio and then use template. Then right over here is we're going to go ahead and paste the script. And then I'll go ahead and let it auto suggest images and videos. And I'll go ahead and choose iStock and premium images too. Then create scenes, click yes. It's going to go ahead and reorganize it and then click create scenes. And then once the project's loaded here, scroll over to voiceover, upload your VO file, this one, and then open. This can go ahead and just be dragged onto the timeline. And then it does automatically set some music. So I like to go ahead and just extend it so it reaches all the way towards the end. Go ahead and adjust the volume on it because usually it'll be too loud. So I like to stick to -30 decibels. Now the only thing missing is just to go ahead and just adjust the timing for all these. All right, so I'm all done editing this, and there are a few things that can be changed. Like right over here, yeah, this meal was used here, which doesn't feel appropriate, and it was also used again right over here. So those things can be changed, and if you want to change them, just go ahead and head over to videos or images, search something you want, and then basically just drag it in and put it into place. I'm just going to go ahead and leave them there and just export it just so you can see the final product. And you just want to go up here to export and then 1080p export. And now it's rendering over here in the corner, so just give it a few minutes. And if you want to make videos even easier, make sure to join the waitlist for AI video, where all you have to do is just put an idea and AI will do the rest. All right, now that that's done, we can go ahead and head over to YouTube, upload video, select files, and then go to the most recent one that was done right here. And we're also going to do a quick little description about it, and we're going to ask ChatGPT for that too. All right, I'm going to go ahead and copy this and then paste it onto YouTube. Then we're going to go ahead and upload it. And if you want to make easy videos like this, make sure to check out the link in the description down below for InVideo and use Barros 25 to save 25% off. Here's a quick snip of the final product. AI was the new ruler of humanity, and it had no intentions of stopping. The scientists had warned us about the dangers of AI, but we didn't listen.